Okay, so the gentleman on 19 who expects at Nottingham, he's over deviating because he's distorting, and this is a very narrow filtered, crystal filtered set, so you can tell. So it's a Danita 3000Multi. I think it's a return. It's new in box, but it's clearly a return because the receiver was out. But we've got it sorted. I'm going to have to run on the. Let's go to Mega Chippie channel and put the squelch on. And we'll get this out of its bag. I don't think Mr. Chippie will hear me very well if I talk into the bag. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that. I'm already on the extension speaker, so I'm ready.
Yep, Roger, off we go.
Roger Dodger. So it's a MultiNorm set. We'll be doing CPT and AM on CPT at the 5 mile point. But because these are made in 2009,
in the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio there's no tone control.
Roger.
So because it's made in 2009, we can only access AM by going into another country. We can do that quite legally because it's a CE approved set, but we have to tell the radio we're in Spain for it to give us AM at 4 watts. If we go into one of the other countries, it was at a time when AM was only available at 1 watt.
Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Passing Ancaster service station and it's closed.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you. Squarewood, Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, diddly dodger.
going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Danita.
I'm on a Danita 3000Multi, and that's from 2009. It's the old stock set, and we're on the standard replacement pipe. The radio's doing 3.7 watts over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Just on the arm. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger.
I've got your Roger, which is always good.
Roger, Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point. One is Danita 3000Multi. It's a 2009 MultiNorm, it's doing 3.7 watts, and we are doing 1.3 amps. So it doesn't have low power, but it does have CPC FM, and then with a lot of passing we can make it do CPC AM as well. So what I'm going to do, I'll call you on CPC FM. It'll take me a few seconds.
Yep, Roger, I'll be there waiting.
Roger. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, we should be on FM and we're on CPC.
Yep, Roger, no problems. Bit noisier than UK channels, but all good.
So the radio does 4 watts down here.
Alright.
Right, we're going to go over to AM.
Yep, Roger, I'll see you there. Yep, roger, copy, loud and clear, bit noisy, like you'd expect on AM.
Yep, roger on that's fine. Let's go back to UK FM. It'll take me some time.
Yep, roger, I'll see you there.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
I've got the squelch too high. Yeah, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Roseby level crossing. Over. Yep, 138.9, 148.7.
Well, there we go. We're back to 98 and I will say 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Chippie. We're now going over Roseby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Roseby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today at that? Enter, please, over.
Yep, 138.9, 144.7.
Well, there we go. It worked better than I expected, and I will say 10-10.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Right, well, it work better than expected. So let's look at the figures before we go over to the base station. Where I can actually find the figures amongst the circuit diagrams. Yes, so we brought the power up from 2.8 watts to 3.6 watts. AM mod was spot on as it was, 95%. FM deviation had to come up. Receive was abysmal. 20 dB was 47 microvolts. We've got that down to 1.8. So there we go. It's been messed with on receive, and I say even the AM detector had to be sorted on this. So we'll go over to our Midland 76900 base station and we'll see what it sounds like on that factory original mic.
Tango 21 testing the Danita 3000Multi into our Midland 76900 base station, doing 3.7 watts and using the factory original mic. So there you go. Doesn't have low power, nothing like that. So there we are. That's it. What we're doing tomorrow, not sure. Still got that Uniden 300 from this customer to do, which if we look at that, we can sort out the one which I did on the air test, which had slow audio. That's it. Thanks for watching the Danita 3000 Multi from 2009.